Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. No, actually my second channel. You probably recognize me. I'm from the girl that started a brand new YouTube channel. And yeah, since I'm bored here, you're probably wondering what did I do today, because it's literally 8 and sometimes I wake up very early in the morning, so here's what I did. Okay, I'm a sneaker because then I'm actually a sneaker. And right before that I'm a sneaker, here. Sorry, I have a little cough there. You guys already know. And if I cough, sometimes my voice will like broke. So yeah. So this is what I do. Since my Chromebook, or if you guys don't know what a Chromebook is, it's basically like a laptop with these controls. Like they have different controls like shift, enter. I think that it's still the same and laptop, but if you go for here, there's no auto click, there's no right click. So yes, and then I want to highly recommend, please subscribe and like to my channel. I really appreciated that. So yeah, I don't know which is the first IRL like a video I should do. So yes, now I don't know what to do. So if you guys have any ideas to what to do, please subscribe. That's all I'm gonna say. And like, by the way. Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm gonna about to poop. I'm sorry I said that, but I'm gonna about to poop. So I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye.